I remember a time when, you know, carrying my beer was important. Now all of a sudden,
Just remember it.
what?
Memories are always nice.
The what?
Memories are always nice, so just remember it.
This is Ren Zero,
Chicks.
and together we are.
Sentai. Sentai 7. I think you're
All right, we're on our way to the beach. So let's find out what kind of other bullshit we get into this time. How about that? Huh? What are we looking for? Are you gonna catch up to me, or you're gonna
Stop talking. I will slap you with my phone.
just? Oh my God.
I will slap.
What? What are we doing?
Beach.
I just want to look at you.
Huh?
I just want to look at you.
Look at.
Well, before we get run over. Yeah, I just got over what? 3 video logs.
Yeah.
I did 3 video talk shows. I haven't even slept. Tired. I just drank how many?
So his words on taking drugs, guys.
How many beers did I
He's a
drink?
vampire. Beers.
And I still got more beers down below.
He got 3 here, and then he drank 4.5 liters of beer in the fucking house.
Nobody wants to hear you cuss.
Oh, son of a duck, like that? It's okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Because you talk shit all the time.
Oh,
Shit.
we need to jog.
Jog what?
Jogging. What? You know, walking.
I do enough jogging. Everywhere we go, we walk. All of a sudden, now it's a big deal. What, because you're pregnant?
Huh?
You're pregnant?
Oh yeah, if I'm pregnant, I'll jog. Good idea. What are you filming?
But make sure.
Yeah, make sure I'm pregnant. Filming my legs.
So they're building up the table.
Yeah, it's ruined.
Our table finally got broken. This is the beach that we normally go to. We look for captains out there. Yeah, they're trying to fix our table. Our table's kind of screwed up. Apparently it's been out here for a while. Was it last time? Oh, during the storm. Yeah, the storm.
What the hell?
Your what?
Oh, my boobs.
Your boobs. Okay, what's wrong with your boobs?
They might see beans.
And that's Chixie talking to a boat captain. Basically getting information.
Basically for the engine, and then
And he wants to captain our ship.
Yeah, he will be the captain. I told him. He knows. He even offered, like he said, "Oh, I can be your captain. I can drive like that." Because I asked him who will be the one to watch the boat. Because I heard someone will watch on the docking place. He said, "I'll be the one to watch."
The harbor master.
Yeah, and you
Which
just need
the
to
harbor
pay.
master harbors all of these boats that are out there. What you guys are seeing out there, all these boats are being watched. So if you jump on any of them, you're gonna have hell to pay.
Yeah.
And he said he's gonna watch our boat.
He watched our boat for like 4,000 pesos a month. And I told him, "Oh, just give it to us for 3,000. Anyway, you will be the driver. Once you will be the driver, you will earn a lot, blah, blah, blah." And then he said, "Okay, it's up to you." And we're very close now.
Yeah, keep us, again, close to the beach because it is expensive when you get close to the beach. As far as I know these are terrible freaking benches and whatnot, but they will raise the price on you.
It's high tide. He said that it's been like waves so much. You know, that's why it breaks.
No waves out here. Come on.
No one
Well, during the storm, I would imagine, yeah.
will grab the table like this for no reason.
Well, you can see what happened to our table where you had to freaking fix it because now it got eaten up after that storm. See, this is what I'm talking about a boat. Problems will happen. When I turn around over here, see why probably these boats ended up here. And that's my concern.
He said also
What?
for after the boat is being built, like ready to sail, you need to have it registered on the city hall. It's like 1,000, more or less 1,000 pesos, and that's good for.
That's about 1,000 pesos. That's about $23 roughly.
Yeah, $23 like that, or $20 because it's 50 pesos now.
Yeah.
So it's $20 for a registration, and it's gonna be like good for a year. And he also knows someone who will paint it. Paint the 49ers on the side.
Oh, we're done with that conversation. You see how she goes and turns a good situation to a bad situation? We're done. We're done. This is far the best deal that we have gotten so far. We gotten what, 4,000, 5,000 USD, 4,000. That was the first one. 5,000 USD. Now, this guy's actually giving us facts, and one of his boats are pulling in now. Let's see if I can zoom in on him now. That's one of his boats. Yeah, that's far one of the the best deals that we got. A captain, whole 9 yards, everything with the engine, even with the engine.
16 horsepower.
16 horsepower. 2,800. What do you guys think?
2,800 to 3,000.
Put it down in the comments. Yeah, I'm pretty happy.
We have a docking place.
We got a docking place. That's with the docking place.
The person who will watch the boat.
Person that'll watch the boat, basically. Yeah, dock
Harbor
master.
master.
Now we got a wind, picking up. Of course, storm is not quite over yet, but at least it's not raining. I'm happy about that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? You want to get naked?
What the hell?
Oh, keep texting. Just keep texting. Text.
Why?
See, we thought we'd go out to eat, to eat. Well, it's not, it's dinner, but it's a barbecue. It's really nice barbecue. It's actually outside. We didn't throw this down because it's on the terrace. But sitting here trying to have a conversation with her, but her face is in the phone.
I'm texting my brother.
And then she'll be texting her sister, then she'll be texting her cousin, and then she'll be texting other people.
No, I'm texting JM. I told JM to we're here in Tongo because maybe he will go home and we're not there. And he will have something to tell me later. I'm gossip.
Let me guess. He's with your mother.
In the church.
In the church. Remember the church I told you about, the controversial church? That's where he's at right now. This is going to be pretty interesting. I can't wait to find this out, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to know too.
I can't wait either.